In this video, I completely break down why NFTs are so valuable. And we're gonna go deeper into the different kinds so you can completely understand why these have so much value in some cases. Probably like most people, the concepts of NFTs just sounded so crazy when you first heard it, right? Like, it's crazy. These images are just worth hundreds of thousands of dollars sometimes. Like, what's the purpose? What's the value? And like everybody says, like, bro, can't I just screenshot it? And the answer, of course, is no. You can't just screenshot it because they're solidified on the blockchain, right? And therefore, they're verifiable just by looking at who owns it on OpenSea. So that's pretty much out the window. But let me explain this, bro. The picture itself is just the surface of an NFT project or a collection. See, what really drives the value is what you get with that picture, what you get with that image or GIF or whatever it is. And to further help you understand why these have value, let's talk about the three different types of NFTs, all right? All right, so you got the artsy ones, right? You got the ones to where the art is the main focus. That's where the value was within the art. I know me as a graphic designer, when I first heard of NFTs, that's what I thought the whole space was, so I was all for it. These NFTs are usually made by artists who are already lit, already have a following, already selling expensive pieces, physical pieces, right? And they just moving over to the NFT space. Kinds of people that buy these would usually buy real art for their house. Now, the second type is gaming NFTs. I ain't gonna lie, I see these a lot. These NFTs have value because within the metaverse and crypto, which is what NFTs are even built on, these games are now play to earn game. And depending on how hype, how big the community is around that game, that directly correlates to earning potential, bro. So that's where a lot of them are investments. And not only as investments as it making you money in the metaverse, but just the value of the NFT itself going up. And so not only does it correlate to earning potential, it also correlates to the value that each character within the game has, which is each NFT. Like, think of 2K or think of Madden or whatever. Like, let's say each player in the league was an NFT, right? How much value would owning LeBron or owning Tom Brady within a game, how much value would that have, right? And how much earning potential would they have within that world? Now you're starting to see how that works. So the third kind is collectible utility NFTs is what I'm seeing a lot of people call them. Now, these kinds are valuable because they grant you access to communities, resources, and other things. Now, sometimes, a lot of the times actually, these kind of meet up with the gaming NFT, and these kinds are a two-in-one, collectible, utility, and gaming NFT. Like, you see Lil Baby, you see Steph Curry on Twitter, they Abbeys, they bought into the Lazy Ape collection, and that's just drove the value of that collection up even more. And they bought in for crazy amounts, and that's because not only is it a collectible, but it's kind of a flex to even own one, bro. Now that you understand the three types of NFTs and why they have value, now let's say, okay, you still want to drop your own NFT, right? These are the types of people that's going to buy them. People that are investing, right? People that are in it for a quick flip. People that don't really have any care or appreciation for the art. It's all about the roadmap, right? It's all about where the project is going and just the value. That's what they see. They don't really care for the art. That's honestly 90% of the average people like you and me that are trying to get our feet in the game. That's where we have to kind of come in at first. Now, the second type of person, the second type of buyer of an NFT, right, is going to be, like we said in the last segment, people that buy art, people that like art are going to buy into their favorite artist digital collections, right? Like, I like Chief Keef. A lot of people like Chief Keef, right? So when I seen that he was dropping his Glow collection, I know his digital artist over there is Raw, so I'm a fan of his work. A lot of people are a fan of his work, so not necessarily. So it doesn't always have to be somebody filthy rich, but basically people that already buy art, right? People that are already fans of an artist. That's the second type of person. Third type of person is honestly the type of person like Lil Baby, like Steph Curry, who have the money, want to help get something off the ground, and will kind of want to just help build the community, right? So now that you understand the three different types of people, now that you understand the reasons why people buy NFTs, now that you understand why they even have value, you can further understand where it's about to go in 2022. So let me know in the comments what you think about just the overall value of NFTs, and if you think they should have value or if you think they're gonna last. Man, if you're interested in making your own collection, I have a video where I break down how you can use Photoshop to make your own collection. Throw it out there, see what happens. Go Cowboys. Love everybody out there. Let's get it.